Hello everyone, welcome back to Sakina's Travel Diary. Today is yet another beautiful day and I'm at yet another beautiful location. So let me just show you around. Now I am walking in a swamp and it is also drizzling a little bit. The sound of the birds is very evident. And because I have seen a lot of Hollywood movies in which there is an alligator in the swamp and the feel is something similar, I can really feel that and I'm slightly scared. So now the swamp is over and I'm in this open area, but since this is empty, I am still not really confident, but I'm liking it. So here I am at this very small bridge and there is a small stream flowing by because it rained. There is just like, a makeshift, a temporary stream. And I like it, it's very beautiful. Also I can hear a lot of toads in my background. Toads or frogs, something like that. Okay, now it has started to rain really heavily, so I'm going to find some little shelter. But in case you know me, then you know that I love rain. And I don't really mind getting soaked. So I'm in two minds right now. So I have found myself a partial shelter. I am still getting some raindrops over me, but this is like a little bit covered with trees, so it's not too bad. Actually not too good because I love rain. So I think I'll have to end my video here, but you guys should let me know what are you guys doing nowadays at home and how's everything going. And if you like my videos, please make sure to hit like on this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Sakina's Travel Diary. Bye bye.